gonna give your love to me. I wanna love you night and day. You know my love will not fade away. Oh, well, you know my love will not fade away. My love is bigger than a Cadillac. I try to show it when you're driving me back. Your love with me got to be real, for you to know just how I feel. A love for real, not fade away.
Hey guys, just came over to the Fix-It show. Did some airbrushing on their studio walls. Very cool bunch of guys. They grabbed some motorcycles and they take these motorcycles, rebuild them, refurbish them. They're all old vintage bikes. They work on BSAs, Husqvarnas, all different style bikes. It's amazing what they do. We sent over some Polaris carburetors for them, and they rebuilt them, cleaned them up, got them working great for me. So basically, I just came over. Good friend of Cowboy Dave. He does a lot of stuff for me, so we kind of take care of each other. And did wood graining all over the backdrop here. So now they got something cool to look at. It'll be on every single episode when they're here. But they are going to work on doing different episodes, different places. So it's going to be a real fun show. Maybe you'll see me doing some airbrushing on some of the motorcycle bikes, some of the tanks, maybe do some helmets here or something. So check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there. And check out Primeau Customs and you'll see me all over the place. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.